Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best car dash cam on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Axio Car Dash Cam is a reliable and compact device designed for everyday drivers, providing high-quality recording with essential features. It features a large f1.8 aperture lens for bright and clear footage even in low-light conditions, with a maximum frame rate of 30 fps. The night shot function enhances night vision for clear recordings in poor visibility. Its loop cycle recording feature ensures continuous operation by overriding older footage when storage is full. The device also captures audio and has a built-in IPS display for easy footage review. Powered by a corded electric supply, it eliminates battery concerns and includes a long charging cable for convenient installation. Number 4. Cocom. The Cocom Car Dash Cam is a comprehensive in-car camera that enhances driver safety with a dual camera system for full road coverage, an f1.8 large aperture lens for improved low-light recording, and a night shot function for clear night footage. It records at 30 frames per second and features loop cycle recording, audio support, and a built-in IPS display for easy navigation. The device connects to the Viofo app for video management and operates efficiently with a Type-C interface and automatic ignition support. It withstands extreme temperatures and boasts a compact design for unobtrusive installation. Number 3. Sherway. The Sherway Car DVR is a reliable dash cam offering advanced features for everyday driving. It boasts Ultra HD 4K recording at 3840 by 2160 resolution, providing sharp detail during both day and night with its advanced night shot function. The camera includes seamless loop cycle recording, ensuring continuous footage without manual storage management, and a dual camera setup for comprehensive incident documentation. A built-in LCD display simplifies footage viewing and settings adjustments, while efficient H.265 video compression allows for longer recording times and easy playback in MP4 format. Number 2. ImageBon. The ImageBon H9 Car Dash Cam is a reliable and feature-rich device designed for everyday drivers, emphasizing durability, clarity, and convenience. Its compact dimensions, 24.5 by 0.6 by 9.5 centimeters, enables seamless integration into vehicle interiors. The dash cam features a high-quality IPS display for vibrant colors and sharp visuals, ensuring excellent clarity day or night. Powered by a corded electric source, it avoids battery-related issues, allowing for continuous recording. The H9 operates effectively in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius and includes AUX input-output support for enhanced connectivity. Meeting CE and FCC safety certifications, it is an environmentally conscious option free from high-concerned chemicals. Number 1. Kawa D11. The Kawa D11 Dash Cam is a robust and reliable choice for drivers, featuring a compact design, 15 by 13 by 7 centimeters, 0.67 kilograms, and a clear IPS display. It operates under extreme temperatures, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and ensures durability with a supercapacitor battery. The dash cam offers full coverage with 3.5 meter front and 7 meter rear cables, and it supports 64 GB storage with loop cycle recording and audio capabilities. Smart connectivity through the Kawa Auto app allows easy management of footage. Its CE certification attests to compliance with safety standards, ensuring dependable performance. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.